If you think about yourself, what image pops up in your head? We all have a self-image, and I think sometimes we actually don't pay attention to what we see when we close our eyes and we think about ourselves. So quickly, if you can today somewhere, just close your eyes and see what is the first image that pops up in your mind. That image you need to assess to the truth of Christ and what your Father says about you. Now, for some of you, that would be a good image. You'll see yourself healthy, confident, prosperous, beloved, and favored. But for most of us, that first image you'll see is probably the image of the person that you are right now and some aspects of your life that you actually don't like. Maybe it is prosperity, maybe it's confidence, maybe it's a health issue, maybe it's even your posture, maybe it's how you feel around other people, maybe it's being shy in certain situations. Whatever it may be, that image is in your subconscious mind, and that image is constantly what you think you are. But that might not be the truth. You are a son or a daughter of God. You are raised and seated. You are what God says about you. So it is almost impossible to live out your true identity, your second Adam, Christ loved, favored, healed, prospered, delivered, made whole nature, if you constantly have on a subconscious level that other image of you, that false image, that first Adam image. So maybe this is where it comes in, where we say we take every thought captive into the obedience of Christ. So you look at that image, you look at that thought about yourself, and you ask yourself, is this obedient to the Christ version of me? To the version that Jesus came to show and came to reveal and came to give? Is this true? Is this true what my Father says? If it is not, then you cast out that image and you replace it with the true image. You can ask the Holy Spirit to give you that image. Holy Spirit, show me what I am like in you. Show me what I am like in the Father. And then you replace that image with the true image. You do this constantly, you do this daily, throughout the day, and then you will see effortless change in your life, because your outside world, even your biology, will start reflecting what you believe about yourself. And Jesus came to reveal this